Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to monetize your Facebook page. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to head to our Facebook page and then we need just to make it a professional page. So here, I'm just going to head to my pages or I can just click on my profile picture and here I will find my page. So basically, I will just switch my account to this page here. I need just to go to the page, and from here we can find advertise, manage, etc. So basically, if we click on advertise, we can see all these ad type or the boost content. But what we are interested in is to go to the Meta Business Suite or the Creator Studio. So also here in the professional dashboard, we can find some kind of tracking like your page here, audience, etc. But what would be interesting is to go to the Meta Business Suite and click here. And basically it will take us to kind of creator studio or creator tools of Meta. And of course, from here, you can just go home. And as you can see, you can start controlling your page from Facebook and also in an Instagram if you want to give it an Instagram account. And basically, from here, you will need just to start growing your audience. And basically, you can start like planning your content and you can start like adding, giving some ads. And basically, here on the ads manager, you can start promoting your ads to get your page monetized and you can start having your own money. And basically, another tool that you can start to use is the monetization tool or just menu. So here, if you don't find it here on your nav bar, you will need just to go to the all tools. And from here, we need to search for monetization. And basically here in sell products and service, from here you can start monetizing your page by either managing your inventory and sales like of your Facebook page. You can collect and manage appointment requests, etc. But what matters the most is to manage your monetization tools. And basically you need just to click on monetization and basically you can start getting monetized by like the video streams and other things. And basically you need to make sure that you are eligible to get monetized on your page or your content. And you will need just to go to the view page eligibility, and from here you need just to meet the requirements and you will need just to start getting monetized from your in-stream ads and your other content. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.